So this is like a left leaning half stitch, and it goes to the left. This is what you're going to do. So let's knit 2 or 3 here. Okay, so let's say make 1 here. So you're going to take that strand that connects your left stitch with your right stitch, that one there, and you're going to pick it up with your left hand needle from front to back. See? And then with your right hand needle, you're going to knit it through the back of the stitch. So let's do that again. Let's pick up that strand with your left hand needle from front to back, and then you are going to knit it through the back of the stitch. Let's do that again. So let's pick up that strand. You can pick it up like this and put it on your needle if you want to. So pick it up, put it on your left hand needle, and then knit it through the back of the needle, because like that it doesn't leave a hole. So if it's crossed like this, it doesn't leave a hole.